Quick question, how long did your last email campaign actually take to write? An hour? An afternoon? Multiply that by every segment, every subject line test, every one more round of edits, and suddenly a Tuesday is gone. That's the part Claude is quietly taking off marketers' plates. Not the strategy, just the grind. Here's the thing, email still wins. It returns up to $42 for every dollar spent, more than any other channel. But inboxes are brutal now. Over 392 billion emails go out every single day, and generic ones just get ignored. Personalized emails get 41% more clicks. So the bar moved. It's not should I personalize anymore. It's can I do it for every single email, every time, without burning out my team? That's where AI comes in. So what does this look like in practice? You tell Claude your brand voice once. From there, it can draft your welcome series, your newsletter, your abandoned cart flow, written the way your brand actually sounds. And it's not just swapping in a first name. Claude can pull in real behavior, what someone bought last, what they keep clicking on, and write around that. That's the difference between "Hi John" and an email that actually feels like it knows you. It also plugs straight into tools like HubSpot and Klaviyo. It's not working off guesses, it's working off your real campaign data. Walk through it with me. It's 5 steps, and most of them run without you. Pull in the data, Claude sorts people into segments based on what they've actually done. It writes the copy for each one. It checks its own work for tone and clarity before anything goes out. Then it's formatted and ready to send. One marketer at Anthropic cut his ad and email copywriting time from 2 hours down to 15 minutes per piece. That's not a rounding error, that's getting your afternoon back. So does it actually move the needle? Yes, in some pretty specific ways. AI-written subject lines get opened 26% more. Behavior-based personalization can lift by close to 40%. And when teams stack all of it together, personalization, timing, segmentation, they're seeing over 3 times more revenue per email sent. This isn't a someday trend either. Over 60% enterprise email teams are expected to be using AI in their hands by the end of this year. The early movers aren't experimenting anymore, they're just ahead. Look, nobody's saying AI replaces the strategy. The big ideas, the brand voice, the sound like us, that's still you. What changes is everything underneath that. The drafting, the personalizing, the 100th subject line test. Claude just does the heavy lifting so your time goes back into the stuff that actually needs a human. If this was useful, drop a like, it genuinely helps the channel. And subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this on AI tools that are actually worth using. See you in the next one.